In today's ever-evolving work environment, the concept of a side hustle has gained popularity among professionals. But what exactly is a side hustle? Simply put, it's any job or business venture that someone pursues alongside their main employment. It's a way to explore passions, supplement income, or even test the waters for a potential career change. The rise of the gig economy and the flexibility of remote work have made side hustles more accessible and appealing than ever before. Recent surveys show that many professionals are now juggling more than one job, reflecting a shift in how we view work and career fulfillment. However, with this trend comes a complex dilemma. Should you disclose your side hustle to your employer? It's a question many grapple with as they balance transparency and privacy in their professional lives. On one hand, declaring a side hustle can foster trust and openness with your employer, preventing potential conflicts of interest and possibly leading to support or resources that benefit both your main job and side venture. On the other hand, risks exist. Employers might disapprove, fearing divided loyalties or reduced productivity. Privacy concerns and potential impacts on your current job also arise. As we explore the pros and cons of disclosure, consider the unique circumstances and goals of each individual. The decision is not one size fits all, and understanding your situation is crucial. Join us as we delve deeper into this topic, providing insights and guidance to help you make an informed choice. Whether you're contemplating a side hustle or currently managing one, this discussion aims to equip you with the knowledge to navigate workplace transparency effectively. In the ever-evolving landscape of work, the concept of a side hustle is no longer a rarity, but a growing trend among professionals. As we delve into the question of whether to declare your side hustle to your employer, it's important to weigh the potential benefits of transparency. First, let's consider the element of trust. By openly discussing your side hustle with your employer, you lay the groundwork for a transparent relationship. This openness can foster a sense of trust that might not only enhance your current work environment, but also pave the way for future opportunities within the company. Furthermore, declaring your side hustle can help in avoiding potential conflicts of interest. Many companies have policies in place that require employees to disclose outside work. By being upfront about your side hustle, you mitigate the risk of inadvertently breaching company policies. This proactive approach shows your employer that you are considerate of the company's interests. Additionally, transparency about your side hustle can open doors to support or resources from your employer. In some cases, employers might offer resources that align with your side hustle. They might even provide mentorship or guidance that could be invaluable to your side business. Moreover, if your side hustle is related to your current role, it could be seen as a positive extension of your professional development. Of course, the decision to disclose is personal and should be made after considering your unique situation. If the company culture is one that supports entrepreneurial spirit and side projects, the benefits of disclosure could be significant. However, it's crucial to assess the environment and weigh these advantages against any potential risks, which we will explore in the next segment. In summary, while the decision to declare your side hustle can seem daunting, the potential benefits of building trust, avoiding conflicts, and gaining support could make it a worthwhile consideration. As we continue this discussion, keep these points in mind and reflect on how they might apply to your own professional journey. As we delve into the potential drawbacks of declaring your side hustle to your employer, it's important to weigh these considerations carefully. Firstly, there's the risk of employer disapproval. Employers might view side hustles as a distraction, questioning your commitment to your primary job. This could lead to a strained relationship with your employer, where trust and confidence in your work ethic might be compromised. Moreover, declaring your side hustle might result in reduced work opportunities. Employers could become hesitant to assign you critical projects or responsibilities, fearing that your attention is divided. This could limit your growth within the organization, stalling your career advancement. Another critical aspect to consider is the loss of privacy. By disclosing your side hustle, you're opening up your personal endeavors to scrutiny. This can feel intrusive, as your employer might start to question not only the nature of your side hustle, but also your motivations and long-term career plans. In addition, there's the potential for conflict of interest. Even if your side hustle is entirely unrelated to your primary job, employers might perceive it as a competing interest. Furthermore, the legal implications should not be overlooked. Depending on your employment contract, there might be clauses that restrict outside work or require disclosure. Failing to comply with these terms could lead to disciplinary actions or even termination. It's crucial to be aware of these legal boundaries before making any decisions about disclosure. In summary, while openness with your employer can seem like the ethical choice, it's essential to balance this with the potential consequences. Understanding the risks involved can help you make a more informed decision. As you navigate this complex terrain, consider how each of these factors aligns with your personal and professional goals. Remember, the decision to declare your side hustle is not just about transparency, but also about protecting your career and personal interests. As you navigate the decision of whether to declare your side hustle to your employer, it's crucial to weigh both your personal and professional goals. Ask yourself, how does your side hustle align with your career aspirations? Does it complement your current job, or could it potentially create conflict? Reflecting on these questions can provide clarity and direction. Next, consider the culture of your workplace. Every company has its own set of values and expectations. Some organizations may foster an environment of openness and transparency. Others might have a more conservative approach, viewing side hustles as distractions or conflicts of interest. Understanding where your employer stands on this spectrum is vital. This insight can help you anticipate their reaction and prepare accordingly. In addition to personal reflection and understanding your workplace culture, seeking external advice can be invaluable. Consulting with a legal advisor can clarify any contractual obligations or restrictions you may be under. Similarly, speaking with a career coach or mentor can offer a fresh perspective. Ultimately, the decision to declare your side hustle should align with both your personal values and professional circumstances. It's about finding that delicate balance between transparency and privacy, ensuring that your choice supports your long-term career goals. If you find yourself uncertain, remember that seeking advice is not a sign of weakness, but a step towards making a well-informed decision. In the end, the path you choose should empower you to thrive in both your primary career and your side hustle. By carefully considering your goals, evaluating your company's culture, and seeking professional guidance, you can make a decision that is both strategic and personally fulfilling. Remember, the goal is to create a harmonious relationship between your professional responsibilities and your entrepreneurial ambitions, paving the way for a successful and balanced career journey. As we draw this discussion to a close, let's take a moment to reflect on the journey we've embarked upon. We've delved into the intricacies of side hustles, exploring both the potential benefits and the possible pitfalls of disclosing them to your employer. On one hand, being open about your side hustle can build trust and possibly even garner support from your employer. It can pave the way for a more transparent and harmonious workplace environment. On the other hand, the risks are not to be taken lightly. Disclosure might lead to disapproval, reduced opportunities, or even a breach of privacy. These are significant considerations that should not be overlooked. Ultimately, the choice to declare your side hustle is deeply personal and dependent on various factors, including your professional goals and the culture of your workplace. It's essential to weigh these pros and cons carefully, and if you find yourself uncertain, seeking legal or professional advice could provide clarity. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all answer. Each situation is unique, and the decision should align with what you value most in your career. In this rapidly evolving work landscape, it's crucial to remain informed and adaptable. Your career path is yours to shape, and making informed decisions is key to navigating it successfully. Transparency in the workplace can be empowering, but it's important to ensure it aligns with your personal values and professional aspirations. As you consider your next steps, remember that the power to choose lies in your hands. By understanding both sides of the equation, you can make a decision that best supports your career ambitions and personal integrity. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of side hustles and workplace transparency. We hope you feel empowered to make choices that will enhance your professional journey.